I've discovered a phenomenal AI tool called Bing Image Creator. And the best part, it's completely free. Brace yourselves because this tool is about to revolutionize the way we generate images. Whether you want to create breathtaking landscapes, adorable animals, or unique logos, this tool has got you covered. Get ready to witness the magic as we compare it to the well-known Midjourney AI. Let's dive in. First of all, let me show you how to access Bing Image Creator. All you need is a web browser and an internet connection. You don't need to download anything. Just go to this website in the description. You will see a chat box where you can type in your text description and a button that says Create Image. That's it. That's all you need to do. Now let's compare this with Midjourney AI using the same text description. I'll copy and paste the description into Midjourney's text box and wait for the results. As expected, Midjourney delivers impressive results. But now let's see how Bing Image Creator performs. As you can see, the difference between Bing Image Creator and Midjourney AI is staggering. Bing Image Creator surpasses Midjourney in terms of image quality, realism, and overall creativity. It has the ability to generate images that rival those taken by professional photographers or crafted by skilled artists. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. If you want to try out Bing Image Creator for yourself, go ahead and visit the link in the description. And here's an exciting bonus for you. If you're not a fan of Bing Image Creator, I've discovered a way to use Midjourney for free. No need to create new Discord IDs or rely on trials. Let me know in the comments if you'd like me to make a dedicated video explaining this method. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below telling me what you think of Bing Image Creator and Midjourney. Which one do you prefer and why? Until next time, stay creative and have a wonderful day. Oh, and by the way, it's not in real voice, it's AI.